In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video and audio in Zoom. If you've ever tried to play a clip in a meeting and your participants couldn't hear it clearly, this walkthrough will fix that. We'll keep it simple and make sure your video looks smooth and your audio comes through cleanly. First, while you're in an active Zoom meeting, look for the Share button in the meeting controls. It's the green Share Screen option on the toolbar. Click it to open the sharing window. You'll see thumbnails of things you can share. Next, choose exactly what you want your audience to see. You can share your entire screen, which is useful if you plan to switch between apps, or select a single window, like a browser tab or a media player, to keep everything focused and avoid showing notifications. If you use multiple monitors, make sure you pick the one with your video on it. Take a moment to confirm the preview matches what you intend to show. On the right side of this window, in the Presenter Layout panel, enable the settings that make your clip look and sound great. Check Share Sound so participants hear your computer's audio directly, not through your microphone. Then check Optimize for video sharing. This tells Zoom to prioritize motion and frame rate, so playback appears smoother. A couple of quick tips here. Your system volume controls how loud the shared audio will be for your audience, so set it to a comfortable level before you start. Using headphones can help prevent echo, and if you'll be narrating over the clip, speak close to your mic for clarity. When you're ready, click Share. You'll see a green outline around the shared content, confirming what participants can see. Start your video and let it play. Keep your mouse movements steady and avoid dragging windows on and off the shared area. If you need to point something out, pause the clip briefly, make your note, and resume. If anyone mentions they can't hear, double-check that Share Sound is still checked and that your system volume hasn't been muted. And that's all there is to it. During your meeting, click Share, select the screen or window you want, turn on Share Sound and optimize for video sharing in the right panel, and then click Share to begin. Follow these steps and your Zoom audience will see crisp video and hear clear audio every time.